Well, great morning, all of you.
Great morning.
Great morning, sir.
Morning.
And I'm very thankful to all of you, and especially sir, who always motivates us and always encourage us to speak English and who is always ready to make us in a top and in everything like in growth and in our development in terms of personality, and that's why I am very thankful to this institute, the Dynamic the Miracle. And today I will have to speak something. I have given one topic, that is mobile phone. I think no one is there who doesn't know about the mobile phone, because now it's a time to digitalization and everyone has one smartphone today and they are using it wisely. But someone is also there and some people are also there who doesn't know how to use the smartphone or how to use the phone, because sometimes they feel if I have phone then we can do anything. But after that thought they feel that we are afraid of it, because scam and any other things which is also there in digitalization, because sometimes we use wisely then we feel okay. But as we know that every thing has two aspects, positive and negative. I am just highlighting some positive points of mobile phone. If you have one mobile phone, then you can do anything whatever you want to achieve in your life. I am saying because of it that I am also a creator, because we are shooting in this camera and that's why you can watch me in this, because of this mobile phone. And second is you will have to be confident, because of uh, if you are just digesting this fear of camera and fear of people, that what they will say behind you. Because if you have phone then no one will judge you, because if you will have one phone you can shoot the video and you can see your mistakes, you can see your growth, and you can judge yourself and you can correct yourself where you are lagging behind. And if you have one phone then you can earn money as well. You can order anything whatever you want uh, from delivery application like Flipkart, Amazon, and a lot of things. A lot of application is there which is working and and providing service, and you can book your ticket by sitting in your home. And mobile phone is very useful today, and it is very, you can say, it is giving a golden service, you can say, because by sitting all the things you can manage. Like if you have something like any soap, you are just running any soap, then uh, you can keep the cameras and you can see your soap, that how is it working and how their how their customer are coming and they are buying products. And if someone is suppose someone is stealing money, then you can see the things and you can punish him, because of mobile phone. And it is that much easy now. And suppose if you are in foreign country, then you can just feel that I am with I am with my family, because nowadays it is that much capable that whatever you are just feeling with your family, you will just see in your screen, and you will see just and you will feel just like that I am just communicating with my parents or any relatives, like that. So this is happening because of mobile phone. And if we will talk about that, when we don't have any mobile phone, then we were struggling a lot of difficulties, a lot of problems, because people were going by bicycle or a bike or by any bus or a train, and that after then they were able to message someone. But now it is happening in very short time because of mobile phone. So I am very proud of it, that I am feeling very proud of it, that I have one phone, and that's why I am feeling that it is everything for me. And someone is if someone is not helping me, I can help myself, because I have one phone, and I if I have phone, then I can help from anyone, because I can call anyone if I have their numbers, and I can communicate with foreigners. I can communicate with anyone whoever belongs from any countries. Means whole world I have means I have the whole world control now, and I can win the hearts of all countries, because a lot of celebrity you can see in mobile phone, they are just doing good things, and they are just uh, spreading their positive vibe or good vibe, you can say. And because of their good thought or good feelings, people are just connecting with that person, and they are just feeling special and feeling relevant to that particular person, and that's why they are big fan of that particular person. It may any celebrity, I am not taking any name, but you can see and you can watch in your phone, and everyone is just running away on that way, and I'm also on the way. So it's a very common goal nowadays. And if I will talk about negative of this mobile phone, also there, because whenever we say about the one side like positive, negative is also there. It is like one coin. So that's why I am talking about negative also. That if you are, suppose you are in your home, and in your gallery a lot of pictures are also there, then you will feel that it is okay, but I don't want to share anyone. At that time you will think that it is not good to the people, then you will just save in your gallery. But sometimes hackers are there who leak the pictures. It may private, but sometimes it leak. So means blackmailing issues. It may be blackmailing issues in your phone. If someone hack your, if someone is hacking your phone, but you will be safe if you are just taking care of your settings, and you are just suppose you are just getting on two-step verification, then you will be safe. And another thing is also there, that scam is also there. So scam means uh, how can you escape from the scam? You will have to be knowledgeable person in terms of mobile phone or technical things. You will have to learn first that how to use it. After then you will use. Like suppose any application you are just uh, getting download, and you want to just use it, but you don't know how to use. Then you will just trap on that app, because first uh, they will ask for your permission. Then you, if you are not knowing and not getting that application, that what they are asking for, then you will just okay and you will just say yes, or you will just skip the process. Then you may trap on that way, but you will have to raise your step. You have to be aware of that. So if you are just taking care of it, you can be safe and you can use it wisely. Then you will be safe and you can get a lot of things and facilities, and you will feel free for everything. And I'm just feeling now, and this is my one view of this topic, mobile phone, and that's it. I hope you have learned a lot of things. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Okay. The now next speaker is Mr. Shubham Kumar.
Well, great morning, everyone, and thank you, sir, for giving me this golden chance. And I am here for saying some words on mobile phone. In my opinion, mobile phone is good, but there are some people who are misusing this miracle device. Like some people are hacking someone's ID and see their private things and blackmail others. Some people are wasting their times in mobile games, and they are also giving money to the games without asking from their parents. Mobile phone has also some advantages, like you can learn many languages from it and take many information from it. Thank you.
Well, great morning, everyone.
Great morning.
Hi, this is Priyanka Munda. Thank you so much for giving me a golden opportunity to say something about the mobile. Mobile is a electronic machine. It is very useful for us. Uh, it is uh, good for everyone. Uh, when we solve maths and we don't know how to solve, then we can search in mobile phone. It is harmful for us because everyone spend more time with mobile phone. that we lost our time. That's all. Thank you.
First of all, thank you very much opportunity to give me something about mobile phone. The mobile phone is greatest gift of modern science. It is electronic device. Earlier time it can use only communication, but nowadays it can use many work. It's like listening music, capturing video, and tracking navigation, and many things. That's all. Thank you very much.
Well, great morning, everyone. Great morning to you. Thank you for a golden chance for giving say something about this topic. Hi, this is Rekha Munda. Today's topic is mobile phone. Mobile phone are useful, but sometimes mobile phone is very dangerous. Because we can tell mobile phone and online works. That's all. Thank you.
Anybody else would like to say something about it? So, for your confirmation, listen to me, everyone. And this is the starting class, right? And we are going to do it 100%. और अगर तुम अपने आप को एक्सपोज नहीं कर पा रहे हो, अब नहीं कर पाओगे, तो तुम्हारे लिए सबसे बड़ा इस धरती में आने का सबसे बड़ा क्या है? पाप है, महापाप। कोई मतलब का नहीं है, right? Is it? No. It is
Yes, sir.
continuing.
Yes.
So my point of view to all of you to say that even you people, you student, you guys, say some lines about any topic which we discuss. And today we have completed this topic, and thank you to all of you that you involve yourself in this discussion. And next day we will discuss some new topic, another new topic, and I will provide you the information about the next one. So thank you very much for this wonderful session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Stop it.